I'm going to show you how to add a new client on boafuo. A new client just called your shop. She wants to get her dress sewn and she'll be here in a few hours. Let's get her set up before she arrives. The first thing you need to do is let boafuo know. Hi boafuo. Boafuo responds promptly, ready to assist. Boafuo, I have a new client coming in a few hours. She is called Diana Evans. Just like that, boafuo knows exactly what to do. It will ask you about her gender and for you to also provide her number. You can provide her contact by using the Add Contact feature in WhatsApp. Simply tap the attachment icon, select Contact, and share her details. Boafuo will confirm her details with you and ask if you'd like to go ahead and create her profile. If you don't have her contact saved yet, no worries. You can tap Add Client, which will open up a form and you can fill her details manually. One thing to remember is always add the country code to your foreign clients' numbers. For instance, Ghanaian tailors with UK clients, the country code is +44. Once everything is confirmed, your client's profile is ready. Next, we will look at how to add her measurements and also create an order.